Good morning to one and all present here. I am N.Ramya Devi, working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today I am going to share a small article regarding design thinking. So basically, what is design thinking? Design thinking is a problem-solving approach that prioritizes human-centered solutions. It's a methodology used to tackle complex problems by understanding the needs and experiences of the people who will benefit from the solutions. As its core, design thinking involves empathy, ideation, prototyping, and testing. So what do you mean by empathy? The process starts by understanding the needs, desires, and motivations of the end users. This involves observing, engaging, and emphasizing with the people who will use the product or service. Once the needs of the users are understood, the problem is defined clearly and concisely. This step involves synthesizing the information gathered during the emphasize phase to identify the core issues that need to be addressed. Next is the ideate. In this phase, brainstorming sessions are held to generate a wide range of creative solutions to the defined problem. There are no bad ideas during ideation, and the focus is on quantity rather than quality at this stage. Next is the prototyping. Prototyping involves creating scaled down versions of potential solutions. These prototypes can be anything from sketches and wireframes to physical models or digital mockups. The goal is to quickly test and iterate on different ideas. Finally, prototypes are tested with end users to gather feedback and insights. Testing helps identify what works well and what needs improvement, allowing for further iterations until an optimal solution is reached. Design thinking is not limited to any particular industry or field but is widely used in areas such as product design, service design, business strategy, education, healthcare. Its human-centered approach fosters innovation, creativity, and collaboration, leading to solutions that are not technically feasible but also desirable and viable. And when we are trying to nurture the DT-based approach on a classroom, so what will happen? Design thinking in the context of the classroom is a powerful approach to problem solving and learning that empowers students to become active participants in their education. It involves applying the principles of design thinking to address challenges and opportunities within the educational setting. Here's how design thinking can be implemented in the classroom. First, we comes to empathize. Teachers start by understanding their students' needs, interests, and learning styles. This may involve conducting interviews, surveys, or observations to gain insights into what motivates and engages students in learning process. Definition. Once teachers have gathered insights, they define the problem or challenge they want to address in the classroom. This could range from improving student engagement to redesigning the classroom layout for better collaboration. Teachers and students brainstorm ideas for addressing the defined problem. This can be done through group discussions, brainstorming sessions, idea generation activities. The goal is to come up with creative and innovative solutions to the problem at hand. Next is what is prototyping. After selecting the most promising ideas, teachers and students create prototypes or rough drafts of their solutions. These prototypes can take various forms such as lesson plans, educational games, or classroom activities. The key is to quickly test and iterate on different ideas to refine them further. Next is testing. Finally, prototypes are tested in the classroom with students. This involves gathering feedback, observing how students interact with the prototypes, and evaluating their effectiveness in addressing the defined problem. Based on the feedback received, teachers and students make adjustments and refinements as needed. By applying design thinking principles in the classroom, teachers can create a more student-centered learning environment that fosters creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. Students become active participants in their education, developing problem-solving skills and growth mindset that will serve them well beyond the classroom. Design thinking empowers educators and students alike to reimagine education and create meaningful learning experiences. Here, the students of third year IT department has involved in a data science and analytics topic in which a brainstorming sessions has been conducted through quizzes. So the students all are actively participated in that and discussed about what is data science and analytics. So it is basically an interdisciplinary field that focuses on extracting insights and knowledge from data to inform decision making and solve complex problems. It involves the use of various techniques and methodologies to analyze large volumes of data, uncover patterns and trends, and derive actionable insights. Data science encompasses the entire data lifecycle, including data collection, pre-processing, analytics, modeling, and interpretation. It involves applying to statistical analysis, machine learning, algorithms.